Hello students, welcome to Tuteetute. So GATE 2023 notification has been released and you can apply for this examination now. Okay, from September 1st, so you can apply for this examination and there will be only 1 month for your application filling process. Okay, so you can complete this GATE application process as soon as possible. Okay, so there are certain procedure for that, and before going to apply this one, okay, so you need to know some things. Okay, so what is the GATE examination? Who is conducting? It is conducted by IIT Kanpur. Okay, so this year it is conducted by IIT Kanpur. So anyway, the question paper patterns, so you can check, okay, how IIT Kanpur can give the questions like this. You can check. Okay, so previous years whatever they have conducted, you can check those question papers. Okay, corresponding branches. Okay, so in this video what we are going to see is we will see the question paper pattern and how will be the GATE exam, where are the centers and what are the centers it can be near to you. Okay, and can you apply for the 2 papers or not? So how many types of questions will be there, all these information. Okay, so let's start. So the GATE examination is a computer based test. Okay, so it is a computer based test. Okay, so how much duration means it is 3 hours of time. Okay, so there is star mark means no change will be there in that. Okay, so star mark including, okay, so we have to complete the examination after 3 hours, it will be automatically closes. Okay, so that's why we have to submit in 3 hours this examination. Okay, so the number of subjects are 29. Number of subjects means it's not like if you are from ECE branch, you will not study 29. Okay, so this is number of papers. ECE is 1 paper, electrical is 1 paper, okay, civil is 1 paper, mechanical is 1 paper, computer science is another paper. Like this, total 29 papers are there in GATE examination. Okay, so anyway, whatever we are eligible for, that only we will apply. Okay, sections, what will be there in GATE examinations means, so general aptitude and candidate selected subject. Okay, so general aptitude will be there, plus if I belong to electrical, okay, so electrical questions also will be there. Okay, if I choose mechanical engineering, aptitude plus mechanical engineering questions will be there. Okay, so like that. Okay, so types of questions, so these are the 3 important types. Okay, so we have multiple choice questions. As you know, many of you know this one, multiple choice. Okay, so there will be MCQ means 4 options will be there. Among those 4 options we have to choose only 1 option which is correct one. Okay, so we have to do our calculations and have to choose the correct one. Okay, so next one is multiple select questions. Okay, so multiple select questions means, so they have given as, so for example one question is there for that A, B, C, D, multiple select. That means more than 1 answer will be correct. Okay, for example, A and B, okay, so both are correct only options, then we have to choose both. Okay, so multiple select question means we have to select the both. Okay, and or they have given numerical answer type question, it's up to them. Okay, so they can give multiple select questions or numerical answer type questions, or they can give both. Okay, just like MSQ. Okay, so MSQ and numerical answer type plus MSQ or numerical answer type. Okay, so anything they can give, or any one of them also they can give, so it's up to them. Okay, but previously in 2022 they have given so all 3 models of questions. Okay, so in every branch they have given all 3 models of questions. Okay, so this year also most probably they will give all the 3 models of questions. Okay, so and remember one thing, for this numerical answer type questions, okay, so there will not be any negative marking generally. Okay, so so they will be giving the numerical answer type questions and with decimals we have to make the answer. Okay, so this is numerical answer type question. Okay, so next, so number of questions. Okay, so number of questions from the general aptitude 10 questions will be there, from the subject 55 questions will be there. Okay, so total 65 questions only. If you observe 65 questions we have to complete in 3 hours. Okay, it's like so if you prepare properly, if you plan properly, you can able to do this one. Okay, so you can read all the questions and you can solve all the questions, almost like if we don't know 5 questions for example, so it's like for each and every question we have 3 minutes of time. Okay, so otherwise some simple questions will be there. It's like almost 3 minutes, 3 minutes for each and every question. Okay, so next, distribution of marks in all papers except papers. So these papers, okay, except these papers. So these papers marks distribution will be mentioned here. Okay, so anyway, in general, electrical, electronics, or computer science, or mechanical, or civil, so this is the mark distribution. Okay, so general aptitude 15 marks, engineering mathematics 13 marks, subject questions, okay, so 72 marks. Okay, so this is the marks distribution. Total it is 100 marks. Okay, 100 marks it is. So in general it will be like, so aptitude, whatever questions they have given, so you can able to solve that 15 marks. Okay, so in engineering mathematics, if you concentrate on these things only, almost you will get the qualification. Okay, so anything, okay, anything almost qualification means if the cutoff is little bit higher means you need to get a little bit more marks compared to that. Okay, so anyway, around for any gate examination, for if you take the electrical or electronics, it will be like 25 or 28 or 30. Among these things only general cutoff. If question paper is more easier, then cutoff will increase. Okay, so that's why I told. So including these two, it will be like 28 marks. You will get almost qualification mark. Okay, and whatever subject questions are there, these are 72 marks, and in each and every paper there will be some easy subjects. Okay, so first we have to complete those easy subjects. We should not miss any easy subject questions. Okay, so anyway, total it is 100 marks. Okay, so distribution of marks in this one, okay, we can observe 15 marks for general aptitude, 85 marks for the subject one. Okay, so marking scheme, okay, so questions carry 1 mark and 2 marks. Okay, so questions carry 1 mark and 2 mark. So for 1 mark questions, there will be negative marking, 1 mark MCQ, 1/3 mark will be deducted. Okay, for the 1 mark questions. For the 2 marks MCQ questions, okay, multiple choice questions only. Okay, 2/3 mark will be deducted. Okay, that means, so for the 1 mark, 1/3 of the mark will be deducted. So for the 2 marks MCQ, 2/3 of mark will be deducted for the wrong answer. Okay, so there is no negative marking for wrong answers, MSQ and numerical answer type. Okay, so for the MSQ and numerical answer type questions, there are no negative markings. Okay, so anyway, more information. Okay, these are all the papers participating. Okay, so they told, right, total 29. So these are all papers. Okay, so you see, so this is civil engineering CE. Okay, so electrical, electronics and communication engineering EC. Okay, electrical engineering W means triple E only. Okay, so we can apply. So electrical people, they can apply for this, electronics they can apply for this, and civil people they can apply for this, and similarly mechanical engineering. Okay, so mechanical, okay, so mechanical engineering is ME. Okay, so they can apply for this. Computer science also will be there. Okay, so if any students are there, just apply according to your code. Okay, you have to choose the correct code. Okay, so this is the different branches and their code, okay, in the gate examination. Next, coming to the centers, okay, so in our state or in this region, okay, so IIT Madras region, whatever centers are there, I'm giving, so like downside states these are. Okay, so like Andhra Pradesh, we have Chirala, Chitturu, Gudur, Guntur, Kadapa, Nellore, Ongole, Tirupati. Okay, so it's like districts they have given, so there can be some distance. Okay, all the centers, there will be so many centers for the gate examination. Okay, whichever is nearest to you, okay, you just apply for that. Okay, and in Kerala also we have so many centers, so you can observe, okay, who you are applying. So Pondicherry and Tamil Nadu, okay, so Tamil Nadu also so many centers we have, and Telangana also, so we have centers. Okay, so this just I have given these centers for the example only. Okay, so in every state there are some centers. Okay, so in every state, come to Odisha or any Maharashtra, Delhi is there, every state we have the centers, including other countries also we have the centers generally. So but this year they may give, they may not give. Okay, so anyway, all over the India this exam is happening, so we can check the centers accordingly. Okay, so let's see the examination fee for the any female candidate. So before 30 September if we are applying, means 850 is the fee. Okay, and for the SC, ST or PWE category students, okay, so 850 is the before 30th September. If late means, okay, 1st October to 7th October it is 1350. Okay, so 1350 it is. Okay, all other candidates, that means for the female candidates 850, for the male candidates it will be 1700. Okay, up to the last year it is 1500 only, now the fee is 1700. Okay, it's okay, only one time we are just applying this one. Okay, so anyway, prepare for the gate examination. Okay, so gate examination is very prestigious. Okay, so and there is a certain, there are so many, okay, so many PSUs are participating, more than 40 PSUs are participating. If you go to electrical engineering, for example, okay, if you go to electrical engineering, more than 60 are participating in the more than 60 PSUs are participating in the gate examination. If you take electronics, okay, it is like more than 55 branches are ECE. Okay, so that many PSUs are participating in gate examination. If you take mechanical, okay, it's like more than 40. Okay, so on an average I have given for each and every branch there will be some PSUs. Okay, so public sector undertakings are there. So anyway, you just apply for this gate examination and start your preparation as soon as possible. Okay, so and remember one thing, you may not be applying at the first beginning only, so but definitely apply as soon as possible. Okay, so and one more thing, you can apply for one paper or you can choose the backup paper also. Okay, so like if you are from the electrical engineering, you can apply for the electrical engineering and you can apply for the instrumentation also. Okay, so just like if you have any doubts and all, okay, just read the brochure again. Okay, so once you read that brochure again, then you will understand. Okay, so that means, so whatever information you read, okay, so all the frequently asked questions are there. Okay, so frequently asked questions are there, you read those questions, then you will understand. Okay, so there are so many doubts we will be getting while uploading. Okay, so while applying for this examination. Okay, so anyway, start your preparation, and if you need any coaching for the gate examination, we are providing online coaching, so and we are providing at a very less price compared to all over India, and we are proud to give this gate course. Okay, because all our lecturers are from the NITs and IITs. Okay, that means whoever qualified this gate examination, they have only teaching for you, and they are all working in certain PSUs or they are all working in certain government organizations. Okay, so anyway, start your preparation. All the best for your gate 2023.